Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve filter screens in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve filter screens. The water inlet valve filter screens are mounted at the inlet ports of the water inlet valve. They filter water from sediments and particles suspended in the water. If water drips in very slowly or doesn't come in at all, but you can hear the water inlet valve is energized, check if the filter screens are clogged and replace them if needed. Make sure the water is turned off. Using the pair of pliers, unscrew the water inlet hoses from the washer. Use a towel to catch any water left in there. Using the pliers, pull the old filter screens out. This is the old water inlet valve filter screens next to the new ones. If you don't have these parts, you can get them from AppliancePartsPros.com. Clean the inside of the inlet valve and install the new water valve filter screens. Screw the inlet hoses on the valve manually, carefully not to damage the threads. Tighten it slightly with the pliers. Turn the water on, plug the washer back in, and make sure there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.